How to save a route on Google Maps. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to guide you on how to save a route on Google Maps. So if you're wondering on how to do that, you can just follow up this method and you should be able to easily do it. So without any delay, let's just jump right into it. So for that, go ahead and open up your Google Maps application on your device. And you're just going to go ahead and select up your location, long press on it, and your location will appear. So from where you want to start the location. So in the bottom, when you pin your location, you'll be finding different options. So go ahead and select up the option, this one right here. This is called directions. Just go ahead and tap on it. So once you have saved up your start and end location, at the top right corner, you can find 3 dots. Just go ahead and tap on it. And you can find an option called add route to home screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once tapped on it, this pop-up will appear on the screen. Just go ahead and tap on add. And once that is added to your home screen, that is your saved route from your Google Maps. So you can just go ahead and open it up. Once you open it up, it will be showing up the route that you've just saved. Just like this. So therefore, how that is you save a route on your Google Maps following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.